Hi, it's Alan Hutchinson, HTmarket.com with HTDesign seating, sitting in the Southampton seat. In the event one of these cup holders fails, which is very rare, we will send you one free of charge within the first year of warranty. After that, there'll be a cost to the part. In the event one fails, what you want to do is get rid of this little rubber base thing. Hold on. All right, there we go, got that out. And you're gonna find that there's basically two screws in here, two Phillips head screws. And you're gonna just unscrew these two screws. Make sure they're all the way out. Okay. That's one. I'm going to put it in the other cup holder. If you had an electric screwdriver, it'd be quicker. I'm going manual. Okay, now you got these two screw balls out. Put it in the other cup holder. And then you just kind of, just pulls right out of the, make sure you just push the leather down. As you pull, don't yank it out. Just make sure you get it. Just use the your fingers. It's like on a, it's pretty tight and snug, so. You might want to unplug the chair too. I didn't unplug it, but I'm not worried about getting electrocuted from this thing. So that's basically a cup holder, and you just want to get that loose, put it in there like that, leave it that way, and then you're going to flip the chair on the other side. The light's off. All right. What I got here is a cup holder that's not in a chair. Basically, you're going to have to get this thing done, you're going to have to take some of these staples out on the fabric, which we already did, and you're going to find at the bottom of the chair is basically the same looking piece. We just have it, we still have the old one here. And what you're going to do is first is just take this off, because you're not probably going to need the bot. If the cup holder goes bad, it's usually the cup holder, not the wiring. So we're going to just take this off, and what you'd do is you'd be pushing the new one into the hole, and then have this on the bottom and reattach it right here into this spot after you pulled the cup holder out. So that's kind of what you would do. So we'd send you this, and you just reattach it here, and then try the lighting, and it should be good. For some reason it didn't work, you'd have to redo the whole cord down into here and re-plug everything in, but that's probably not going to be necessary. It's mostly the cup holder, something in here failed. It's very rare, but it could happen. And we have those. So to replace a cup holder, you basically take two screws out on top, you pull, undo it here and pull it back out, put the new one in, reattach it right here, and you're in business. We're not going to do it because no reason to, because this one works, but it shows you how to do it. You'll have an indentation where the old cup holder was, so it'll be easy to put back in. And you just stick the screw in the holes here. Hold on. Gotta find the old hole. I found it. And just start twisting that in there. Once you found the old hole, the other screw is going to be the opposite. It's only put in with, it's put in with two screws. And then I'm going to get the other one here. Remember, you have these inserts, and if you have the insert, you got to pull that out of there before you do this. If you don't, you just do what I'm doing. It helps to have smaller hands, and I can tell you. Okay, it's going back in. Almost build your own chair. Problem is the frame is the hard part. These little parts are easy. And then a little rubber thing that we had. Where's that? You have that? Okay. We'll just put that back in. That finishes the bottom of it. So you have a nice finish. And if you have these inserts, there you go, you're good as new. Plug it back in. We're off and running. Put the chair back. Voila. You're up and running. You got yourself a new cup holder.